Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a fingerprint on the Samsung Galaxy M35. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type fingerprints and wait for the results to appear. This will display the relevant options for adjusting your fingerprint settings. Step 4. After performing the search, find fingerprints and tap on it. Then, tap on the option again and enter your password or PIN to proceed. This is a security measure to ensure only authorized users can make changes. Step 5. For the last and most important step, choose the fingerprint option, tap the remove option, and then, lastly, tap remove one more time to confirm. This will instantly delete the fingerprint from your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.